Oh yeah, this is what we're looking for today. South Geronimo Orange Wulfenite. Yes.
That is nuts. Okay. Yeah, another crazy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Elley Knows Rocks. I am standing here with the legendary crystal collector, Brian, and his wonderful puppy Matrix. He's been absolutely adorable. But we are at the Red Cloud Mine today, and we are looking for Wulfenite. Oh my gosh, and I'm so excited. We're here at the first spot. Tell us like a smidgen bit about this.
So we're at a spot called the South Geronimo, and right here there's a vein that we've been chasing, and it's getting deep here, but we are finding Wulfenite crystals left and right.
This is awesome. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure. Let's go see what we find. Tired? Oh, we gotta add it right here. Sweet.
You can go in there, but there's bats.
We like bats, we just don't like guano.
Yeah, it smells bad. And they come after you.
They do? Oh, they're bats with attitude. We're going up there. This is the view of the mountain range up here at the South Geronimo. Gorgeous Arizona landscape. The moments that you have when you're not filming are sometimes better than the moments you have while filming. But look at the ground. Like, I mean, it just glistens.
Oh, they're all...
This had to have been some form of epithermal system going on here. Just with the color of the crystals, the shape of the crystals, the little vugs that have got going on, forming in gas bubbles. Look how shiny that is. Isn't that cool? It's got the little guys on it. They're all squished and stuff, but it's okay. I mean, they're a lead molybdenite, and they can be used for lead ore. Primarily, that's what they were used for, but people really like them for gem quality. You know, rock hounds absolutely love them because they glisten and they're orange and they're pretty and they catch the light. So they're a really cool thing to get like in your collection. Look at that little orange guy. Let's go dig some out of the ground. Brad's gonna do some of the heavy lifting.
fun part. Here we go.
Brian starts digging away and immediately he finds something.
This was just in the... Somebody's missed it, I guess. They were digging a lot of this right here.
Yeah, that green is what was carrying a lot of the geodes.
Whoa.
They were digging...
That's cool.
Look how cute that little guy is in there.
Let me look at the floor.
So it's in all this too.
Find anything? Oh look how cute those are. Whoa! Jeez, that freaked me out.
Caving in on you?
No! Alright, let's see what he's throwing out of here.
Not much, just some stuff off the rib here. It's not very much. Might break it up and see if there's anything in it.
Out. All of this has been brecciated through, so it looks almost like it was a scarn that's had epithermal alteration, brought in all this other stuff going on. Wow.
Look at that.
Wow. Those are sweet looking. Oh, there we go. Man, got a light on that. They're beautiful. Oh, look how pretty those are. Little chevron teeth going on with a little bit of... Let's look at these in the sunlight, guys. Look at that. Look how cool those are. Someone's excited. Let's check it out. Whoa!
Oh wow.
Woohoo!
Nice. All right.
right, put that in your,
Wow!
put that in your treasures.
Look how amazing that is. That is, it has regrowth on the crystal as well. And you got all those terminated little crystals inside. There's some barite going on, a little bit of quartz, calcite, the Wulfenite. Oh, look at that guy over there. It's too bad there's nothing inside of that little guy in the back. That'd be cool. Look at that galena.
Maybe you can. But it's yeah, see? That's
Wow.
one of the better ones. You can have that.
Sweet. Ooh. See, surface collecting. After everybody else has done the majority of the hard work.
We are digging into this pocket and been finding some really good stuff.
This is phenomenal.
But this piece is nuts. I don't know how good it's gonna be, but you can see. Let me flip the light on here. You can see here.
Oh my God.
Can you even see it? It's right there. And I thought it was a single, but look, it's not moving.
I'm right here.
Can you see it? Oh, I got it.
Oh wow, yeah.
Right there.
Oh my gosh.
So you can see right there, and it's not moving, look. So it's either on the wall, attached.
Hopefully it's on the matrix.
On the matrix, that would be epic. Yeah, it ain't moving. See, I'm just gonna go really slow. Maybe,
Do you want a shovel or
you
something?
know what, we got this. Here we go, here we go. So we got this
Oh, a stick.
stick here. Now you can see that, yeah, this like baby poop brown is where the solution was coming through. And then you had the hard rock, well, sort of hard, but we've been hammering, drilling in it and just kind of knocking it down. And what you want to do is hammer drill and then come through just like we're doing here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it just moves. Moves. Oh, it's going to be on a matrix, I think. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Are you kidding me? No way. That's nuts.
It's so cool.
This is nuts. Look at this piece.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to steal it from
No,
you.
you're good. Don't run. Don't run with it.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
This is crazy.
Holy crap, holy crap.
Look at this. That is nuts.
Wow.
I think it's on like a, yeah, that's like a calcite. If we can get out of this hole here, go way up. Look at their lighting here. All right, we got matrix hanging out. Look, boy, we just pulled. Look, boy. Boy, you're supposed to be excited. So we got that. It's something else.
That's phenomenal.
Golly. It's just a nice little cube on some other.
Yeah.
It's like a matrix of Wulfenite, but
Wow, look how pretty that is. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
swap off.
Wow. Wow.
That's actually pretty clear.
Wow. Look at all these little guys. And they grow together like this. Not quite have enough space, but they're pretty phenomenal. Look at that. Look at how it breaks. The cleavage planes on galena are the best.
Yeah.
Wow. Just digging away, trying to see what's in the dirt. Oh, I see that little crystal. Whoa. Holy crap. Look at those little guys. Oh my gosh. This is one of those pieces all cleaned up. It's got some overgrowth on it, as well as a little bit of willemite on the backside here. But still a really stunning piece. Not perfect, but almost there. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I don't.
This little guy fell off of something. Oh, that's pretty though.
But that's beautiful. Oh, that's actually pretty good.
Nice.
You want that one?
Always. Although I need to stop saying no because I don't have any more tissue paper and,
Oh, yeah. Here, here's 3 more then.
jeez. I got that on camera actually.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm running out. Well, here's 3 more. And here's one of the tiny pieces that Brian handed me. All cleaned up. It's a nice, pretty orange ball. It's got a little bit of barite and willemite on the back side of the crystals as well. Overall, I'm pretty pleased.
Ooh.
Oh, again?
It was just, it's not quite there, but it's, you know.
It's getting there.
Kind of looking cool.
I don't have any hands. Literally. And this is the piece we were talking about that's almost there. After I cleaned it up, you can see it has a ton of little tiny crystals all over it. Very shiny and so worth it. Oh
Nice.
my gosh.
Nice. One home with a good one. Yeah. That's
Dude.
the best I found.
Dude, that's sick.
Did not expect that. I thought it was just going to be, you know, another piece that looked like that all the way
Just
around.
like this. That is sick.
It's not good.
It's freaking amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe he found that. Like, oh, the dog is. Are you hatching them? Huh? You hatching them?
Here, I'll let you in here.
Yes.
Just watch, see where my right foot is?
Oh, you're right. Yeah, I gotcha.
There.
Wow, this is so addicting. Come on, baby. Oh. Wow, really bright orange clusters. Come on. I have been dying to get into this pocket. I think my anticipation and excitement was just through the roof when this happened.
I'm excited. Did you find something great? Oh my gosh, look at
And there's more.
Oh,
there's
I
another piece. Oh my gosh, I'm like hyperventilating.
Wow, that is crazy. I'm hearing these squeals down in the hole. I'm not sure what's going on. There's laughing and and she's like, oh my gosh. What do we have here? Oh, I can see it from here.
Don't hate me.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how orange. Like that's like orange crush.
Yeah, right?
It's just tiny, smaller Wulfenite crystals, but it's a ball of Wulfenite crystals, and they are as orange gets.
It's a good piece, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's a line of blades that run through the center too.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Here are a couple smaller ones I pulled out, and then this is my big guy all cleaned up. This is the best piece that I found. This is my little orange crush, beautiful Wulfenite crystal ball. Some of the blades are absolutely perfect. It has a little bit of willemite and some barite growing with it. But overall, I couldn't have hoped to come away with something better.
This is the biggest piece.
Oh, no
This
way.
may be the biggest piece of this material that I've pulled. Oh, look at this. Look.
Sorry.
Wow. Big chunk of wolf.
My gosh. I can't believe he just pulled that out of the ground. I thought mine were cool.
Wow, check. Oh, we both got us one, huh?
Oh my. That is just... He's
Look-
trying to
look at
open
that.
up that pocket to see if there's more in there.
Look, there it is.
Oh,
sorry.
wow. Oops, I was...
My was getting that one. Roger, we found you a piece on the house. Look at that. I might have to buy that one from him. Let me take it out really easy. You can already see some Wulfenite there. Let me see here. I can flip it easy because if there's Wulfenite on it, you don't want to. The problem is I can barely reach it. All right, here we go for the flip. No way. Oh my gosh. This is the best piece I've seen out of this whole entire pocket. Look at these crystals. This is the best piece ever. Oh my gosh. My heart just dropped.
Holy crap.
That's nuts. Look, it's like in a little cubby hole.
Wow. Just pulled that right out of there. It just kind of fell right off the top and the side. Look at those blades.
It's amazing. I know it's coming out of there perfectly clean because the pocket, look, you can see the pocket way down in there. So we're in the middle of the pocket, so none of the dirt is on these at all. It's just amazing. Straight out of there. Okay. Yeah, another crazy. And there's probably another one. Golly.
That is amazing. Can you believe that lead and molybdenite did this? Made this.
Hold out your hand.
Uh-oh.
It's still going.
You guys, was this not insane, crazy, and just nuts? Give it up. Like, this is the one and only, and I couldn't have done this without him and Roger, right? Say his name right?
Roger and Matrix.
Yeah, well, Matrix, always
He was
Matrix.
watching over us today as we dug.
Making sure we keep that. You guys, thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this always. And follow the Crystal Collector. Brian is amazing. I mean, the last wolf we pulled out was just absolutely insane. And thank you guys for joining us. And oh my gosh. He said it's the coolest piece he's ever seen.
Crazy town.
All right, guys, thank you. And I'll see you on the next one. All right, everybody. We started in the dark and we are finishing in the dark. Oh my gosh. It's such an amazing day. I can't believe all the stuff we found. Okay, there are donkeys running in the road. And there's more up here.